This short tutorial will demonstrate how to enroll in the ICAN Infection Control for All Now training course. You will find the enrollment link on the Health Workforce Initiative webpage at ca-hwi.org. Find and click on the ICAN logo. If you already have a CINED account, enter your email address and password, then click Enroll in Course. If you are a new user, create a free account by entering your email address and full name. You are now ready to enroll in the course. To create a password, open a new browser tab and open your email account. Open the email from CINED Learning Center titled Confirm Registration Canvas and select the link in the email. On the Welcome Aboard page, create your password and select Register. Now, from your CINED account, click on the blue button and go to the course. Congratulations! You have successfully enrolled in ICAN, Infection Control for All Now.